Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you that how you can improve your English. And in my all video, I always share that how you can improve English, right? So likewise, other video, in this video also, I'm going to share that how you can improve your English. I'm so sorry, my friend, because I'm not able to, make eye contact with my mobile camera. Why? Because it's very sunny outside. Okay, because day by day it is getting hotter. So I hope you people are going to cooperate with my video and stay with me in my entire video. Today, when I was on my way to come here and record my video, I met one lady, and you might be able to see she is working behind me. She is cutting grasses. Okay, so we both were on the way. Then seeing this instrument, I would say that this selfie stand and my mobile phone in my hand, she ended up asking one question, that are you a YouTuber? I said yes. She might have heard from somewhere. Afterward, her another question was that out of curiosity she asked, do you make money? I said yes, I make money. And then she asked another question, then how much? Then I explained, frankly I explained her that much money I make from my YouTube. Other than that one, she said that, then Anita, you might be not doing any work at your home. I said no, it's not true. I do work at my home. Why? Because I just give little time, thrice in a week I make my video, not every single day. So I focus on my study, I do house chores, sometimes I cut grasses also, and I look after my buffalo also sometimes, not always, right? Being a student, I can't engross myself 24/7 in house chores and all, right? But I do work at my home. So she asked some question, I would say multiple of question, okay, because we both were coming here. I enjoyed replying her. And then she said that it is very easy to create video, right? I said, who told you? It's not so easy. It takes hours and hours to create a single video, okay, and it is very hard work things, okay, like it needs a lot of effort and hard work as well as timing also, okay. Then she said that, but I think that no, it's not true. I think that it takes very little time. I explained her, no, it's not so easy the way you are thinking, okay. And I told that lady, see, if you give me your work like cutting grasses, I can finish that work within half an hour or within 1 hour also. Like cutting grasses is not so difficult, I would say, for me, Cutting grasses needs physical effort, right? So it won't take that long. But coming to making video, there is no certainty. Sometimes it takes 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. We can't say how long, okay? So then I explained to that lady, so my friend, I want to share with you something that, see, when we do something, we think that work only is difficult one, okay? Sometimes we undermine someone's work due to lack of awareness, and sometimes we undermine knowing everything also, okay, but we should not do. I know that cutting grasses is also not so easy and making video also, but I have done both things. As I told you initially, that I can cut grasses and I can make my video also. So if I compare, then I find that making video is quite, difficult, and it takes a lot of time, I would say. But the thing is that I am passionate. I love making my video. I enjoy sharing my thought with my friends, you people. So that is why I make my video, okay? And so many benefits are there, right? So yeah, so here I want to share with you, as I always share, that how you can improve your English, right? So how can I live in today's video and not share about how you can improve your English? Today I want to share with you one proverb also. I have heard many a time, as you sow, so as you reap. In Hindi we call it, आप जो बोओगे वही काटोगे, okay? तो हमें लगता है कि हमें इस चीज़ को इंग्लिश लर्निंग में भी अप्लाई करना चाहिए. आप ये जो कहावतें हैं ना, आप इसको कहीं भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो, राइट? देन इफ वी अप्लाई इन लर्निंग इंग्लिश, so in which term I want to apply this proverb? See, I have heard many people, they just keep talking that I want to learn English. I'm so sorry, my friends. Today, you people have to little cooperate with my video because little noise is coming from my background, which I can hear clearly. So it can create some issue, in your hearing. Like you can't hear clearly my voice. So I'm so sorry. I don't have any other option to create my video from any other place. That is why I'm here and recording my video. So yeah, let's come on the topic that as you sow, so as you reap. It means that आप जो बोओगे वही काटोगे, ठीक है। तो हम जो चीज़ अपने माइंड को दे रहे हैं, जैसे आप अपने मदर टंग को बोल रहे हो, ठीक है, और आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो कि आप इंग्लिश में फ्लुएंट बनोगे, ये कैसे होगा? If you are always speaking your mother tongue and you are giving time to your mother tongue, then how possibly can you become a fluent speaker? You can't, okay? You have to accept this reality. So if you want to become a fluent speaker and speak this language fluently and effortlessly, my friend, from today onwards, you'll have to give time, okay? So how did I become a fluent speaker? I gave a lot of time. I would say that I fed my mind with this language, right? And I put a lot of effort. That is why I'm speaking before you. So you can also speak this language. You will not remain the same. But the thing is that, first of all, you have to sow the seed of that I want to learn English, okay? So if you sow, after that, day by day you have to practice. By practicing, you are going to watering your seed, right? So in this way, if you do, then your English will definitely improve. Other example I want to give, see, behind me, one crop is growing, which is, are you able to recognize? This is wheat crop, okay? In my area, we are growing wheat crop. So it is about to, grown up, I would say. After a few days, we are going to harvest it. So it's not the main topic. See, we are going to harvest this wheat crop. Why not paddy crop? Why? Because we have sowed this wheat crop, right? That is why we are going to reap this wheat crop. So in your case also, if you are sowing negative thoughts in your mind, and if you are always saying that, I can't become a fluent speaker, English is really very hard, and it's not for me, then that's how you are shaping your reality, okay? That's how you are, just like as I told you, yeah, that's how you are shaping your reality, and it will reflect, it will come in reality, okay? So it will be day by day difficult for you, but instead of saying that, okay, it's not so hard to learn English language, I can become a fluent speaker. And if you are sowing these kinds of seeds and practicing every single day, then the day is not so far when you are also going to speak this language, okay? See, my friend, when we do some work, we think that our work is very difficult. As I gave the example that how that lady was telling to me that cutting grasses is very difficult, but making video is not very difficult, right? So do you also think like that? But I think it's not right? Every work is difficult, I would say, but it needs mental effort. When we make a video, little bit physical effort and mental effort also, okay? So we can't say that only cutting grasses is difficult one. So in your case, if you are a beginner, then if you listen any fluent speaker, I'm not so fluent, so if you are listening me, that time you would be thinking that for Anita, she may have got environment, it may be very easy for her, she may be little bit brilliant. I'm not saying I'm brilliant, okay? So if you think like that, my friend, it's not right, okay? I'm also ordinary like you, and many people have proved it by learning this language, okay? They are not extraordinary, they are ordinary, like we all are ordinary, okay? So we need to understand that everyone is going through the same kinds of problem, okay? When we have to confront the problem, that time we think that I can't do it, and we just lose patience and we think that it's very, very difficult, right? But we have to take the example and learn from the other people that how did that girl do? How did she get fluency? Or how did that person did, how he got fluency like that? We have to take someone's example. There are a lot of people, you can just take the inspiration from them or learn from them that how they are handling all the challenges, and they are learning also, they are moving forward. I've heard many people make excuses. I always tell that work excuse, family excuse. See, I practice English, so sometime I connect with some ladies, and then what they say that I have kids and I can't practice, okay, every single day. Among them, some other ladies, they also have kids, even they look after them and they practice also. I'm not saying that you a lot of time, okay, as per your spare time, spend your time, then you can make your dream come true. Your dream may be to become a fluent speaker, right? Fluent English speaker, right? So it can come true, or you can make it true. How? By practicing every single day. So this is what. So don't make excuses. Don't think that it is difficult for me only. It's not difficult for other people. It is difficult for everyone initially, but as they spend their time and put effort, things start getting easier for them, okay? So for you also, it might be difficult to learn this language and to do any work, whatever you do in your life, but it won't remain the same, you know. That problem will also solve, okay? So as I showed you, one day I was making my video from here. That time this crop was green, and within couple of days it grown up, right? See, it is completely not yellow color, I would say, but yeah, it is little bit yellow color, because this is the sign of growing crop or grown up crop. So it has grown up, and it will take only few days, because this harsh wind has started blowing, which is very beneficial for this crop. Afterward, it will be very tight and it will be very easy to harvest, okay? So we people will harvest it. So it will take only couple of days, I would say. So my friend, eventually I want to share with you that nothing is easy, okay? Yeah, I was saying that nothing is easy, okay? When other people they do, that time we think that that work may be very easy. When we do, that time we think that that work is really very difficult and I can't do, okay? And we end up making excuses, right? So just stop it making excuses and start learning, and just be disciplined every single day. Here I want to show the scenario here. Take a closer look of this beautiful place. People are grazing their buffaloes. Buffaloes are grazing, and people, they are along with their buffalo. This is pond, okay? The scenario is really very good, I would say, very captivating, you know. So yeah, here I'm recording my video. After recording, then I'll go at my home and then edit and post it. This is my work. So I hope you like my video. If you, then please like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.